Oh, Lovisha, I think that's not too far away. That's what I guess. But I think for the barometers I track from a derivative treasury standpoint, I know where the market will not go down. On 4th June on your channel, I had said that markets will not go below 21,000 when the counting was happening, and at 10:11, where it was more or less unclear who the majority would be. Will it be NDA or BJP? So, point I'm trying to get to is for an investor or a trader. What is important is what kind of falls are possible. So now, if I paraphrase the question a little differently, I personally think there is not going to be more than 3-4%, 5% downside, which can sustain in the market. That's what I think is the most important question for an investor. Of course, a trader would want to know when will it re-establish the 26,272 mark, which it did on 27th September 2024. So coming back to the point, I think the barometers are stacked very well. So there are four things which decide where the market would go in the short term, in my opinion. One is the liquidity. Liquidity is if I branch the liquidity into 3-4 segments. One is categorization in terms of cash market and derivative market. The other categorization is domestic institutions, foreign institutions, and others. If you look at the cash market, I think FIIs have turned positive cash market. They've already sold 4-5 lakh crores. Their total net flow after FY21 is zero. Okay, we look at it daily, we look at it monthly, but if you look at it cumulatively after FY21, which was COVID period, whatever they brought in has been taken out. So cash market, there is very little selling possible from FI. From a domestic institution, again, this total will mesmerize you like it did to me. Last 4 quarter years, DIIs have brought in 15 lakh crores. 15 lakh crores. The previous 8 years, they brought in 2 lakh crores. So DIIs, after bringing 15 lakh crores, have 3 more lakh crores in the pocket. So cash market selling is near impossibility unless there is a catastrophic situation on the global side, and I can speak to you about it. Derivative, I think FIIs are very light. We are at 82%, 22%, the long positions, which is a very light position. If you look at margin funding books of brokers, those are light as well. Those are not at peak levels. So I would say there's several more, so let me not bore you with those. I would say markets correcting is very unlikely. That implies that if there's little good news, short covering should get us to the peaks.